Welcome to English Reading for Learning.
The Chief Minister. A moral story: a person's wisdom cannot be judged by his age. A knowledgeable king was looking for a chief minister as smart as himself. Hence, he announced, "Whoever solves this riddle will become the chief minister." He continued, "A man has to cross a river. But he is not alone. He has a sheep, a lion, and hay. Only two can cross the river at a time, and one cannot be able to eat the other. No one from his kingdom could solve this riddle." A few days later, a young man came and claimed to have found the solution. The king doubted him, but asked him to answer the riddle. He said, first, the man would take the sheep. Then he would take the lion and bring back the sheep with him. Then he would take the hay and row back to get the sheep. The king was impressed. He immediately appointed the young man as the new chief minister.
Thanks for watching and listening. Please click like and subscribe for new and latest uploads.